If you want to make money in the market, one of the tricks which you should use is to trade very simple setups. Simple ideas in the market work. You might think that look, these people who are profitable traders, they are trading very complicated things. 90% of them are trading extremely simple ideas. Okay, nothing is complicated about what they are doing. They are basically using simple scans, simple method, simple way of scanning, simple way of entering trade, simple way of making sure that they move the stop, and simple way of exiting. Whenever you hear very complicated and exotic discussion about techniques, run away. Those exotic and very complicated things have a problem, and that problem is going to be, it is going to create a big cognitive load when you're trying to trade these kind of systems. Cognitive load is going to slow you down. You will not be able to follow a particular setup. So whatever setup you are trading or whatever method you're going to follow, find a simpler version of it. The more complicated, it involves more time, more steps, and more work. Remember that you get paid for not the work which you do. You get paid in this business for being right. But so simpler the methodology, easier it is on the trader. And that's why I always recommend to newer traders who are starting out to start with a very simple idea, and not get caught into these very complicated kind of concepts and ideas which are being marketed by many people, or very exotic stop strategies or very exotic ways of finding setups based on some really crazy kind of mathematics or things like that. You leave that to people who want to trade complexity. Complexity, there is a market for people who like complexity, but if you want money and you don't want more complexity, trade very simple setups. See people who are profitable, go back and look at their setups. They are trading very simple ideas. They're just trading consolidation breakout, breakout from consolidation. They're trading stocks with momentum, or they're trading stocks which recently had earnings. They're trading very simple idea. You don't need very complicated idea to make money. So keep things simple. That will allow you to become good at it very fast.